Require candle close for stop. So this is new by popular demand. Basically, any dynamic stop that you have now, if you set this to true, it will require that a candle, an appropriate candle, and I'll tell you what I mean by appropriate, but the appropriate candle must close beyond that dynamic stop level. If you have it set to false, then all the price has to do is break beyond the level. In the case of a 1 minute trend trade set up as a dynamic stop of the L7, if you have this set to false and price just breaks against you to the other side of the L7 by 3 pips, then it will stop you out. If you have this set to true, for that same 1 minute trend, has the same L7 as a stop, price can go beyond the stop, not a big deal, as long as for the 1 minute trend it needs to be a 1 minute candle. As long as that 1 minute candle doesn't close against on the other side of that L7, then you're fine. It can come back and you can still be in the trade. But as soon as that 1 minute candle closes on the other side of that L7, you're stopped out. That is a global setting, so you either true or false, and that is true for all the setups.